Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will tell you how to make a sticker at home using scratch. So let me show you what all you need. So we need tape, we need scissors, we need butter paper, or you can also use tracing paper. We can use any medium of colors like paint, markers, color pencils and oil pastels. I will be using color pencils. Also paper, I have origami paper here or any printout. I have this watermelon printout here, or you can also use or take origami sheets or any colored sheet so you can draw upon that. So let's get started. So basically I will be making two stickers. One I will make using this watermelon cutout, and one I will be making a heart sticker which I will take the cutout from the origami sheet. So first let's make the watermelon sticker. So firstly we will work upon the watermelon and color it. So I will just use my oil pastels to so that there's a hard thing and the cutout doesn't tear up. But basically, as I told you before, I will be coloring with my color pencils. So we need red, we need light green, and we need dark green for our watermelon. So now our sticker is ready. So I will just make the other sticker also, and then I will show you how to use the sticker and how you can paste the sticker. So here guys, I'm in front of my cupboard. So I will just tell you how to use the stickers. You can also make a lot of stickers and keep it for later use, but I will just show you how to stick them. Just made another one on the heart. I know it's so bad, but this time I realized that I made a mistake where the there, um, there was one side that we can do is that keep the extra without tape, just butter paper. So just do like that. You also can do like that so that it's easy. So now you know what we have to do, but I will just show you that we have to separate the layers of the tape from the butter paper. So basically you will take the butter paper out. Oops. Okay. Now I have the sticky side here, and now paste it wherever you like. So I have pasted the heart here. I think I should have pasted on this toe too, so that it was more visible. But I think it's okay. I'll just try to show you. So I pasted that, and please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be notified for new videos, do turn on the notification bell and do it all. And so see you in my next video. Bye bye.